Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, power windows. Come see the car for yourself.